Did you know that the global music industry is projected to reach $173 billion by 2030, but the average musician spends over 10 hours to create just one song? Stop wasting time and learn how to create royalty-free music in minutes using the latest AI music generation tools. With the rise of AI-powered music production, you can now generate professional-grade tracks in a matter of minutes. But which tool should you use? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create royalty-free music using Amper Music, a leading AI music generation platform. First, let's dive into the Amper Music interface. As you can see from this screenshot, the dashboard is divided into three main sections: the project settings, the library, and the composition tools. The project settings allow you to customize the tempo, time signature, and instrument selection for your track. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on the Project tab at the top of the screen. Here, you can select from various genres, such as hip-hop,